Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to download and install Java JDK directly from the official source. So what do we have to do? We open our browsers, then we go to adoptium.net. And when we come here, we are going to install the JDK 21 LTS. There is a newer version which is Java JDK 25 LTS. However, we are going to download it for Windows. So what do we have to do here? We have to search for the Windows. We have Mac OS, Linux, and then Windows. So we click on the Windows and the download will start. So once the download starts, we have to wait for it to complete. So once the download is complete, we can open the downloads folder and start the installation. So we have the JDK 21. So we start the installation for the JDK 21. What we do is click next. You accept the terms and conditions and you click next again. Then we install for all users of this machine. So when we get to this point, what we can do is that for this one, the JDK with hotspot, you have to click on the drop down, then select what we will select will be installed on the local hard drive. Then we do the same thing for all the other menu here. So we select this one too. Then when we come to set to override Java home variable, you also select will be installed on local hard drive. Then we come here and we also do the same thing for this one too. So the next thing is what? To click on the next, then we click on what? Installed. Then we wait for the installation to finish. So after the installation is finished, we have to click finish. Then what do we do? To ensure that everything has been installed successfully, we open out our command prompt, which you can press on the Windows key, then you start typing out cmd, then you open the command prompt, then you run this command java, then version. Oops. So then again, let's run it and see if it works. Yes, it didn't work. So what we can do now is that we go to our programs files and then from the program files, then when we come to the program files or our drive C, then we have to open to our program files as I said earlier on. Then we search for the Eclipse Adoptium, then JDK 21, that's what we are looking for. Then we open out the bin folder. Then here, what we do is that we copy this path. So after copying this path, then we come to our Windows and we start searching for environment variables. Then we click on what edit the environment variable. Then what do we do? So here, when we come here, so once we select the path, you can click edit. So let's select the path here. Then we click edit. Then under the edit, we click new. So the new, then what? We paste our path here. So we paste out the JDK bin path. Then what we do is that we click OK everywhere. So we click what? This OK. Then we click what? The next OK here too. All right. So here too we click what? New. Then the variable name, we name it what? Java home. Then we paste for the variable value. We paste this one here without what? Without the bean. Then we click OK, then OK here too. So what we can do is that we have to start the command prompt all over again. Then let's see if it'll work this time around. Yes, it's working. It means that the Java is working all right. Then let's see the Java C, then version. Then we have here, yes, this one too is also what is working. So now we have been able to what, install our Java JDK, and also we have been able to troubleshoot it, troubleshoot how we couldn't found it. So we've been able to check, set the home variables and everything. So everything is working fine. Let's try one more thing and see. Yes, everything looks good. So the Java SDK is fully installed on our Windows 11. So what's the next step for us? The next step is for us to install the IntelliJ IDEA. So what do we have to do? We open our browser and go to jetbrains.com/IDEA. So once we are here, we click on the download sign or the download button, then we wait for it to download. There are usually two options: the ultimate, which is paid, and the community, which is free. For this tutorial, we are going to use the community version. Now we have to download for the Windows. So now that the installation is complete, we click run IntelliJ IDE, then we click on finish. So we are going to save the software or application will run normally. Then we complete our installation process. So we confirm and continue. You are not interested in that. So let's see if we can start a new project. So we start a new project. And we name it Hello World. It's a Java project already. So click create. We wait a little bit for it to run. So since the program, or I'm not going to run an actual program, we will do that some other time when we start coding or learn in the series, other videos in the series. But now our program is running all right. So if you have any problem, if you are facing any challenges with the installation, you can drop the comment below and I will answer you and help you through with it. So with that said, we come to the end of our tutorial videos on how to install Java JDK and the IntelliJ IDEA community version for us to be able to write our programs, our Java programs. So, and I also have a video for how to install it on Ubuntu Linux. You can check that one too. I will link it in the description below. See you in the next video.